I believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles in economic, political, and social progress of our country. I believe that all stakeholders such as government, citizens, and private sectors need to work together to eradicate corruption. I realize that every citizen should be given vigilant and commit to highest standards of honesty and integrity to all times and support the fight against corruption. I therefore pledge to follow probity and rule of law in all walks of life. To neither take nor offer bribe. To perform all tasks in an honest, transparent manner. To act in public interest. To lead by example, exhibiting integrity in personal behavior. To report any incident or corruption to the appropriate agency. Thank you all. धन्यवाद.
Okay. Thank you for everyone for participating in this program. Okay. Further, there will be a much program. You want to be participate more and more. Okay.
Sure, madam. Thank you.